to build. Almost there. Perfect spot.
Let's build a strong bridge. First, mark the edges.
Time to build a bridge. Digging starts now. Pouring the concrete. Smooth and strong. Bridge complete.
Let's line this up. Little tweak here. Perfect. Bubble centered, nice and straight. Poured in slow. Keep it moving. Smooth as butter. Solid trench ready for...
On this damp morning, Nana the monkey puts the little loader to work. Gravel tumbles out, filling the base for the new bridge. Water seeps along the trench edges.
Good. Now we'll flatten this base for the bridge footing. Smooth and solid. Nice and level. Ready for concrete.
Nana the builder keeps the new bridge project moving. Rocks drop to form the base. Each pass of the loader compresses the ground, locking in moisture and revealing fine settling